Looks like we're almost ready to go. I got some water, some beef jerky, some drinks, like Red Bull, coffee, some chocolates, kvass, Russian drink. We're good to go. We're leaving Sacramento right now. It's 5:30. We'll see how long it's gonna take us to get there. Welcome to Arizona. There it goes right here. We made it. We got here at 6:30. They open at 8 o'clock. And there's the project that I got. This is a 2015 Ford E350 Access. It only has 29,000 miles. In this video, we're gonna have to complete this to 100%. We stopped to get something to eat, and look what we found. Like a little museum. We cannot find the corner for this RV. We even went through like dealer and junkyards and used parts, new parts, everything. Nobody can get us this corner. We decided to do it ourselves. We are using this kind of foam, gluing together, cutting, shaving. See, like this one over here, putting pieces, and then we get to the form that we like and start doing the fiberglass. We got a little more done since last time I filmed. The front grille is getting all glued. Now we glue this foam, let it dry, and then we're gonna have to start digging to that to make it just like that. But man, slowly but surely, it is coming together nicely. Put brand new tires. I did that yesterday. Look at that, Falcons. Those suckers are expensive, but they look good brand new. So we pulled off the window. It's laying right there. I'm trying to make this wall a little stronger than we used to be. So there is a big opening over here with not enough support. To glue this panel, you're only gonna go with caulking like that. I don't think that's enough. It might make like waves in the center. But what I'm gonna do is go buy a couple tubes, install one over here, one over there. That way you can run glue this way, that way. And definitely it will have better support.
Да.
Okay. All right, the frame is done. Looks pretty strong. Extra bars for support. We did glue the panel. It's looking good and strong. We have this straight bars holding the pressure. Same thing over here with some clamps. That way when it dries, everything looks straight. Next day here, the outside panel got dry. It's holding really good. Everything is cut pretty good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put that panel.
То надо было тоді витерти вікно.
All right, that's gonna stay better, and there is no water leak through this window. We just took the seat off to show you guys how bad this is. So this is the reason we're using caulking to caulk the windows. Basically, we're waterproofing the whole window from outside, that way that doesn't happen again. So now easily we can get to all the way here. I'm not gonna go any farther because everything is good over here, but I'm gonna stop somewhere here. Same thing as what we did on the other side. I just put extra aluminum bars, same as I did on the other side, for better support. Installation done. I love it. Now I'm gonna cut the panel, install the panel, and then go back with all the trimming. There you have it. The other panel is done. Next thing is to rip this carpet and do the same floor as the rest of the RV has. Easier to keep it clean like that. Just finished pulling the carpet out, cleaned up the floor. Finally completed everything in the front. I even went around and did all the corners with silicone. I do the L angle over here. The reason for the silicone is if you spill something, no water is gonna go in between or dust or anything like that. In a week, I gotta take it for a camp, and after that, camp, which means it's gonna be with me for another season. So right now, we're really pushing to get this thing done in a week. Hard to believe, but the RV is finally inside the paint booth. These are gonna be pretty good because they can make a hole, drop them inside, and put the screws from outside. All right, so we got them on. Turn them off. So they're all nice and flat. Now we're gonna hide the wires and done. Another view at night. All the lights work. Those things are actually pretty bright. I'm happy I put them there. The original color on the RV was black, gray, brown, and bronze. This is gonna take over the brown and bronze. Black and gray stays. So first I'm running the blue tape to make a straighter line, easier like that, and then with the cutting tape, because it's so thin, I follow the blue tape. This is where the original sticker was, and I go about quarter bigger to hide all the whatever edges. That's gonna look better. So I went over with the vinyl above the cutting tape and the blue tape, and now I take this cutting wire and cut my vinyl. After pulling those cutting wires, I peel everything that it's extra. And doing my last cut, follow the edge. Some spots I do caulking that's color match. Some spots I just do silicone. I'm gonna film inside a little bit. There's a little noise because it's hot outside, so the AC is blowing. The table drops down on this level. Those two are, you can put them on top of the table, so make a bed for two. This seats, they rotate however you want. The table comes out. There is a bed on top that you can drop it somehow like this. Anyways, you get the point. You can adjust it whatever you want. I had the seats restitched with a brand new vinyl. Same thing, all these guys. Looks nice and clean. Kitchen over here. One TV, one it's outside. Microwave, stove, freezer, aero freezer. What else? Toilet, shower. The door slides. Only for business. Another sink. Another TV. Bunch of storage. A queen size bed. This actually turns into a corner couch. There is the corner couch, and you can also put a table in the center. That's a slide out, and it's open right now for a little more room. Yeah, pretty much this is it. Pretty much like this. And that's the corner that was destroyed. This thing is complete. I promised to wash it, but I didn't have time. We had to get ready for this trip. Take a look at the view. Beautiful. That's Nevada Sand Mountain. Pulling a trailer with two side-by-sides, two quads. Feels pretty light for this thing. I'm so glad that I actually buffed the whole thing and changed all the stickers, obviously, to a different color, because this thing came from Arizona and was really burned from the sun. Didn't wash it for months, but still, hello, you know, nice and shiny. This is it. This is it. Now just gonna enjoy it and maybe sell it later. But for now, we're keeping. Finally done with this RV, and thanks God, I'm so happy that this thing is actually finished. Yes, it had more work than I was expecting, and it took a little longer than I was expecting, but we'll put down pass. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. But before you leave, I got 2 more projects waiting for you guys, so I'll give you a little sneak peek on both of them. One of the projects, diesel Porsche I'm working on this right now, so stay tuned for this. And that's another project over here. It's S something. Well, you'll have to guess what it is, but it's coming soon.